hope you're enjoying the holidays. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina, and this is a paper crafting and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And yes, finally, I am back after more than a month and a half. I'm being not publishing videos. I had some personal issues and I'm moving forward, and I'm here, and I'm very glad to be back. Thanks to all of you who had reached me, sent to me emails and also DMs via Instagram about me, and it's very touching. And in today's video, I am going to show you what I received from two wonderful ladies. The first one, it's Olga, Irish Love, from Instagram. She sent me a rack, and it's a Halloween rack. And the other lady is a new pen pal. She sent me two beautiful memory Dex cards. And the last package is from Theresa, Chasing Creativity in Instagram and YouTube. She sold these Dulce from Fran Garcia kit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I received. Wow, so I am in a different setting here, so bear with me, and I am going to open these packages that I received. The first one is from my dear friend, Irish Love, Olga, from Instagram. She sent me a rack, and yeah, just finally opening this up, and by the time I upload the video, it might be probably a couple of weeks. And let's see what she got me here. Oh, look at that. Oh, Halloween, Halloween. I know we're almost like a Christmas season, but I have this package like, I would say 2 months ago. And because I moved to a different location and all that, I hadn't had the chance to open it up. And oh, Irish Love. I'm gonna leave the link of her Instagram account in the description box below. So I love the card. Thank you, Olga. And she sent me a banner. Oh, like an envelope banner. Look at that. How cute. Okay. And you can see that. Let's look at this first one. Trick or treats. Oh, I love these cupcake linings. Hello. And then she put some Velcro on these. And she sent me some treats. Okay, sorry about that. My SD card got full, so this one, we're looking at this one, and look at that. It came like this, and I love that she distressed, and she used some embossing folders, and really nice. And then here, what do we have here? Oh, how cute. These are mini banners. Another mini banners, and these are, ooh, random. So these are little cut aparts. Let's see, I don't want to damage anything, but these are like little cut aparts of things that I can use for my next Halloween thing. Oh, cut aparts. I love it. She stamped things. Nice. Oh, I love this owl. Sweet. And love the owls. And like a mini tag. This is really cute. And more random stuff. And of course, I'm going to put everything inside. Okay. All right. So now the next one The next envelope is this one. And again, I love the composition of these, and I love these spiders. Oh, so cute. And let's do that. Open this up, and ooh, I love these tags. Look at that. Vintage brand workwear. Love it. Oh, it seems like it's like a tag of a cloth, and she just like repurposed it and added some stickies and some Halloween. That's very clever. And this other one, this is another taggy. Oh, 2 tags, I believe. Super cute. Look at that. 2 ghosties. And okay, so this is envelope. Now let's look at the other envelope. Is this one, spider, love it, and the word number 31st, of course, for Halloween day. And here she got me some, oh, what is this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is like stamped, like for fall. And then, oh, she got me the mini spiders. Yes. And some mini tickets stamped with boo, and this other cute taggy stamped. And the last one is this one, boo. Again, love the composition, how she put everything together. And here, ooh, more. I love these tags. Very cute. And this other one too. Happy Halloween. So this is the rack that I received from Irish Love, Olga, from Instagram. Again, I will leave the link of her Instagram handle in the description box below. Thank you very much, Olga. This is just so gorgeous. Thank you very much. And now, one of the ladies approached me. She's from Malaysia, and she wanted to do like a swap for memory Dex cards. I am going to be working on hers. I know I'm quite late and I feel so bad, but you know, life gets in my way, and you know, finally I am filming and catching up after a month and a half of absence. And oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, and here she sent me a little note. Says Alina. Oh, it's cute. Oh, look at these. I love the handmade, the little baggie. And I'm gonna open this up and see what I got. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at these. Christmas. A Christmas. Oh, this is beautiful. It thinks like she painted this. Or is this an image? Wow, this is really nice. Very cute. And she is share your love with cards. That's her handle. Says Alina. Thank you. And this other one, I love it. Look at this. Oh, the swan. How cute, right? Well, definitely my memory Dex cards will go on their way, and I will show a video on how I put the memory Dex cards together for my new pen pal. And again, I am going to leave her Instagram handle in the description box below. And then this other package, yes, I ordered a kit that Theresa from Chasing Creativity in Instagram and YouTube, she was selling this. And I'm just opening this up, and it is just so gorgeous. It's that Fran Garcia's Dulce Sweet or something like that. And look how it came up. Okay. And definitely, oh, look at the packaging. On point. I love it. Look at that. So nice. Okay, so let's take a look. So it came with mini doilies and these mini tassels. Very cute. And look at these flowers. Ooh, I love it. Flowers and bells and mini lollipops. And if I open these up, I'm gonna lose them. And rosettes, 2 rosettes, minty color. And these full heart and dulce. So cute. Oh, and look at this one. It's just so gorgeous. And then these are some of the papers. Super cute. I'm definitely going to use these to do the memory Dex card. Oh, look at that. How beautiful. I never got the full collection, but I love that Theresa was able to put a kit together, and I just love it. Oh, and look at these stickies. Oh, look at that. How cute, right? And then the chipboard. I know the glare is just like so bad. So yeah, so this is the Dulce from Fran Garcia kit that Theresa put together, and of course I got it. Well, so, oh, and it also came with jammies and also this nice mix of sequin mix, of course, that goes along with the theme. Okay, again, thanks again for watching, my crafty friends. And if you haven't subscribed, so just click the subscribe button and also tap the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.